sold our table. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Katherine. Today's video is gonna be fun but a challenge. We're gonna be creating a table setting, and I have the idea to go with something more whimsical but very simple. I'm also gonna be creating dessert, which I have made so many times and is one of my favorite comfort snacks. And then I'm gonna be bringing back one of my favorite DIYs. The twist to this is, because we are in quarantine and we obviously can't go out and get anything new, I challenged myself to use any and everything I have lying around the house and only ingredients that I have in our fridge and our pantry. So to say the least, this was a very interesting challenge, but I think we pulled it off. And I also challenge you to do the same as you're watching this video, and I hope you get some ideas from it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button for easy DIYs and more home decor related videos. And if you enjoy this video as you're watching it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Bought these plates for my bridal shower and never got a chance to use them, so I think I'm gonna use them. So I have some gold utensils left over from my Friendsgiving. I have these chargers from 2 Christmases ago and linen napkins from last year. I do have spring goblins. I have not used those on my table setting yet, so I'm actually going to take those down. You know I'm trying to scramble up things. What if I use this as a napkin holder? I don't know where I'm going with this yet, but I'm just gathering everything around the house to see what I can use. I have this tablecloth, this white one. I really love it. It has like a 2D texture on it, and it's great for longer tables. Portable table that I always use whenever we have Friendsgiving. We sold our table. This is what we're gonna be using this Easter, and besides, it's gonna be my husband and I. I wonder if we have some sprinkles. Ah, there they go. Do sprinkles expire? I don't know. Well, I don't see a date on here. Or better yet, let's ask Siri. Hey Siri, does sprinkles expire?
Okay, I found this on the web. Or does sprinkles expire? Check it out.
How long do sprinkles last? Sprinkles last for 3 to 5 years. Y'all read it right here. I think we're good to go. And then I have this crazy idea. What if I can somehow implement this garland into the table setting? I really think this is gonna work. And maybe put them together. This just might work. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. I grabbed everything I could possibly find around our home that can work for this tablescape and DIY, and I think I'm coming up with something. We're pretty much gonna wing it together. I have no idea where we're gonna go. Let's actually fast forward to the next day so that I can actually look more presentable. Ironically, I had all the ingredients to make chocolate chip cookies. So we are gonna be making chewy chocolate chip cookies. The recipe is gonna be down in the description box. Basic ingredients that you need are eggs, flour, sugar, and a ton of chocolate chips. Y'all saw that I thought I didn't have enough eggs, but luckily I did. This is my favorite go-to comfort snack. I've made this so many times. I actually got this from my Connect group leader. Shout out to Shan. exciting part. We are going to be decorating a tablescape. We are starting off with our 6-foot card table. I've used this multiple times in the past and it gets the job done. Originally, I tried to do this design without a tablecloth and it just didn't look put together. So I'm going to be adding this textured tablecloth as a sophisticated look. Using what I already have, garland that I've just collected over time. And I'm going to be using a 1/6-foot garland and placing it right in the middle to build a centerpiece. Instead of keeping the garland straight, we are going to be curving the garland in an S shape as you see me doing here. It's going to give it that whimsical and fun appeal. This is probably my favorite part about this tablescape. I have taken my pom-pom garland and I'm going to recycle those pom-poms and use them as little centerpieces in the garland to replicate flowers. Seriously, y'all, how cute is this? And I actually tried to add flowers to it, but it just didn't look right. I guess because the pom-poms are made out of yarn and it contrasts well with the greenery. How I am getting the pom-poms to sit within the garland is I'm taking stems and wrapping it around the pom-poms to give the illusion like they're growing flowers. So you will see me spreading stems and also tucking the pom-pom inside of the garland. Next, I'm going to be adding the white chargers. It's going to give the table setting a clean look. And then on top of it, I'm going to put the floral plates. It comes in a nude and a pink color. Next, I am adding my blush goblets. I love these glasses so much. I got them from HomeGoods last year. The detailing gives it this vintage charm and it's such an intricate pattern. If you look very close to it, it looks rich, but it's perfect for the springtime. Every Easter table setting needs some type of bunny detailing. I'm wrapping the end of the garland into a half circle and I'm gonna place this ceramic bunny in the middle of it. I want it to look like that it's being hugged by the garlands. So as you can tell, there's a lot that the garland is doing besides just a placement. My idea is to have the leaves intertwined with the accessories. For our DIY, we are going to create bunny ears out of linen napkins. So you're going to need napkins, scissors, and some twine, and eggs. You can use faux or real ones. If your napkins are double folded, open it one time and fold it horizontal. Your two ends are going to be considered the ears of the bunny. And now you're going to take an egg and put it in the middle and pull the bunny ears at the top. Take some twine and tie it, but before you do that, I like the part where I twist it over, so I put one of the ears over the other. You can have them side by side, your preference. Your two ends are going to be considered the ears of the bunny. You may have to do some adjustment if you're using a plastic egg like I am. Make sure the napkin is hugging the egg and then slowly tighten the twine and adjust the egg, tighten the twine, and repeat the steps as needed. I felt like something was missing within the garland once I added the eggs on the plates. So I went back and added a pop of yellow throughout the garland to make everything flow. This is considered more of an upcycled DIY. So y'all know that I'm in love with fringes or tassels. I created a video all about how to make tassels, so I'll link it up right here. And I have made some tassels that's gonna go at the end of the tablecloth. I'm taking my needle and there's a little hole at the end of the tablecloth where they sewn it, and I'm just putting the needle right through it. I'm not making any extra holes. I'm pulling the yarn through, double tying it, cutting it. I love this look so much. It actually reminds me of the carpet from the Disney movie Aladdin. video. Comment down below if you are going to be accepting this challenge to DIY or create using only things you have inside your home. I went back and forth so many times with this Tablescape, so don't get overwhelmed if you can't figure it out. I'm working with a portable table, so many of you are already having a head start. Thank you all so much again for watching, and as always, I will talk to y'all later.